everyone, welcome back. Welcome to another one of my food haul videos. I've only got 6 items here and they're from Tesco, but I'm going to show you what I've got. You're probably getting used to seeing these in a lot of videos now. These are my two favourites, Twilight Garden and Winter Morning, Sephora. The Winter Morning is limited edition, so I want to get as many as I can. I only pick up one at a time when I go to the shop, unlike others who will get a lot, because I don't think it's fair on other people who want to get them. So I spotted these today and there was a lot of them, and as tempted as it was, I just stuck with the two. Got this the other day, loved it, you would have seen the video. Here's all I've got left. It's me predominantly drinking it over the last 2 days. It's on offer for £2, I couldn't recommend it enough, it is super tasty. I got this big box of Tesco's finest clementines. I love clementines, which is a good job because I've got all them, and it was only £3. Then I got a 1.5 litre bottle of Pepsi Max. It's still on offer for £1. Then this time last year, this is the hand wash I was using. It's amazing. It lasted me ages. I mean, it's 500ml. It's midnight fig and pomegranate. Love this stuff. I've just opened a Jo Malone one and a Curex one, so I don't really need to open one, but I'm definitely opening this. And that's all I got today. If you have any questions about any of these items, please leave them in the comment section below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell notification button. Then you'll get an alert every time I upload a similar video. I'll be back very soon. Thank you for watching.